Hi, I'm John with Roadkill Incorporated, where you can sell me your broken MacBook, you can buy a refurbished MacBook, you can ask me hardware-related repair questions. All that is at rdklinc.com. And today I just want to do a quick video on a very important question, which is how to find out what your item sells for on eBay. You have something you want to sell. How do you know how much you're going to get for it? It's very simple, but most people don't know how to do it, and most people are all across the board when it comes to pricing their stuff. So anyway, I'll get right to it. Go to eBay, click up here in the upper right corner where it says Advanced. Okay, now right here, this is the most important thing where it says sold listings. These are listings that have actually sold. The item listed successfully sold and the transaction happened, supposedly. Um, you want sold listings. You don't want completed listings. This is a common misconception. A lot of people click completed listings, but then they get listings in the mix of search results that ended without sales. So that's probably the majority of listings out there. Ended without sales, were canceled by the seller, all kinds of stuff. You don't want completed, you want sold. Click sold. So now you want to type what you're looking for. I'm going to put in a video card that I'm always looking for. And you want to put in very specific information that identifies what it is. There's a lot more I could type. I could type video card. I could type all kinds of other stuff, but what I would be doing by doing that is limiting my search because I would be adding more criteria. So keep it simple, but keep it specific. Click search. All right, and so here they are, 88 of them found, and you can see, the whole list here. But the thing you want to keep in mind, right now, the sort is at highest first. You don't generally want it to be on highest first. What I recommend, very important actually, is ended recent first, end date recent first. That is the best way to look at it, because if you have it sorted by highest first, you're going to get the impression that a few listings that went for an outrageous amount are common, and that's really not the case. There's always some oddball listing that sold for twice what it's worth. You don't want to get that impression. If you do recent first, you get a good assortment of what they have actually sold for very recently. So this guy is actually all over the map. So January 10th, 109. Same day, 197. A few days earlier, 117. December 26th, 105. Okay, so we've looked all over, we've looked across a month, and we're anywhere from like $70 to $200. So, yeah, my general rule is consider the entire range and then cut off the top 20% and cut off the bottom 20%, and that gets you approximately what it's going to sell for. So between 70 and 200, that gives us, I would say, probably between $90 and $150 on this item is what you're going to get. So let's do a different one. I'll put in so I'm going to search for a specific model MacBook Pro, and I put in parts. Parts is the indicator that it's a parts machine, that it's broken. So I'm always searching for parts machines. This is the model number that absolutely specifies the laptop I'm looking for, and then MacBook Pro, that gets me the laptops as opposed to parts, accessories, for example, that might clutter the listing. So I'm very specific, but I don't give more information than I need to, because I want the maximum results that are very specific to my search. So same thing here. We're already on the ended recently. That's good. So 100, 120, 80, 150, 165. Yeah, looks pretty consistent. Some of these are a little bit higher up. About a month ago. There's a board that's irrelevant. We're looking at whole machines. So yeah, it's looking like $75 to $180. So kind of the same span as before, looking at something like $90 to $150 as the average sale price of these machines. So you get the idea. It's very simple. Again, you don't want to search by highest first, because here you go, you have one that sold for $280. You don't want to get the impression that that's what you're going to get. Another one here for $203. But we know from looking through the list previously that that's not the average price. So anyway, I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching.